Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and I have something revolutionary to show you today. So at uGenesys, we understand that Forex trading can be pretty challenging for beginners, right? Which is why we strive to provide tools that simplify the process and help traders make informed decisions. And so far, you've seen two of our very beginner-friendly tools. That's our uGenesys multi-trend indicator, which allows you to identify trends, and also you've seen our uGenesys volume indicator, which lets you know when there's sufficient volume in the market to take your trades, alright? But today, I want to introduce you to another amazing tool that we have, and that is called our uGenesys Equity Protector. And so this tool, it's not an indicator like the previous two, but it's actually a robot that helps with risk management, okay? And risk management is essential in Forex trading, especially for beginners, because it helps traders minimize potential losses and preserve capital while maximizing profits, okay? Because the hard truth is, without effective risk management strategies, traders can quickly find themselves in situations where their losses exceed their gains, alright? Which could potentially lead to depleting their accounts, alright? And that's a very, very bad position to be in, okay? And so that is why we developed this essential risk management tool for beginners, alright? So let me give you a quick breakdown of what we'll be doing today. So first, I'm going to show you how to add the uGenesys Equity Protector to your chart, and then we're going to go over the key features and also demonstrate how to use this effectively to manage your risk here, okay? And remember to click on the link in the description to get this robot here, okay? So what we want to do, we want to go up here to View, and then Navigator, and then you should see this section here, Expert Advisors, and here you'll find the Equity Protector. Alright, so let's just add this here. Click OK. Alright guys, so you can take a look right here. You can see we have this section that says max daily loss. Alright, both these sections here, max daily loss, but they're expressed in two different ways here. Alright, so this here is the expression in terms of the risk percentage, and over here is in terms of the currency. Alright, and I'm just going to give you a quick example of what I mean by that here. Okay, so this account that I have, the balance on it is currently $50,000. So if I put 100% here, you can see that the corresponding value is reflected over here at 50,000. Alright, so say for example, for a particular trade, I just want to risk 10% of my account. I could put it that way. I can just put 10% over here, and as you can see, it automatically does that calculation for me. Alright, 10% of 50,000, there we have 5,000. Okay, and also if you want to set it in terms of the currency value, for example, you said you are only willing to risk 6,000 in this scenario, and you put it here, it would automatically also pull up the corresponding percentage value, okay? So that whenever your account hits this amount, then it will automatically close out the trades for you there, preventing you from losing any more of your equity there, okay? Alright, so this is very great to prevent you from blowing up your account, okay guys? And so this is for people who really want to protect their accounts, alright? Especially for those who are trading with prop firms such as My Forex Funds, FTMO, and these prop firms which have different rules, alright? So just as an example, FTMO has a max daily loss limit of 5%, okay? So what you could do, you could put in the limit here, set it at 5%, alright? And there you see it automatically does the calculation. 5% of 50,000, that's 2,500 there. Alright, and so whenever your account hits this level, then it will close all the trades for you. Alright, but remember to keep in mind guys that there are other things like slippage and spreads and so on. So what I would actually recommend in this scenario is that actually you want to set this a little below 5%. For example, you could set it at 4.7. Alright, and that's just to account for things like slippage and so on, alright? Just to ensure you don't make any miscalculations there, okay? And then also down here, the max daily target here, it works the same way with the max daily loss, alright? And so if you want to set up any floating profits that you'd like your trades to close out at, then you can do that right here, okay? So for example, if I said I wanted to close it out at 10%, there you see it automatically does the calculation there for me, alright? And then down here you can see we have this option here that says close all charts. And so what this means is that if all your trades on different charts add up to your total drawdown, then this will close all of them for you, okay? So for example, if you're trading Euro USD, GBP, JPY, and other currency pairs, for example, if you're trading all of them simultaneously and you click this one, it will close all of them for you at the same time. Alright, and then also down here, if you're trading one chart, one currency pair, for example just GBP JPY, then you can just choose this option here. Okay, so there you have it, guys, our uGenesys equity protector robot here. Okay, and you can see it's very easy to use, a very simple and beginner friendly, a simple interface here where you can make your adjustments to the values. Alright, and it's very effective at managing risk for you. Okay, and we strongly believe that every trader should have the access to the tools they need to succeed. Alright, and that's why we offer these very beginner friendly tools for you guys out there. Okay, and so remember, you can click on the link in the description to get this robot here. Alright guys, and thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.